Hello fellas, hope you're all fine and doing great. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix the driver issue with your computer. I have Asus ROG GL553VE, a gaming laptop. Now I'm trying to install the graphic. It has a GTX 1050 Ti 4GB dedicated graphics, so I'm trying to install the driver, but it's not accepting. Let's go to device manager, just type d.nvmt.msc. Here you can see the display adapter. Here it is showing only the Intel driver, and it has a GTX NVIDIA graphic also, but it's not showing. You can go to, because of the driver issue, it is not showing, so just click here and show the here on devices. Here it is, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. This is the graphic, although I have installed the driver previously, but so it is not working properly. I have downloaded the new driver and want to install it, but still it's not working. We are going to fix step by step. Just follow the tutorials. At this step you must have downloaded the driver already. If not, just go to the website asus.com/support only, and from here you can download all the drivers you need. You can select your operating system, and these are all the drivers. I have already downloaded, but the problem is that I can't install it. Okay, let me go to drivers. This is the VGA driver, NVIDIA. I have extracted the file. Let's go to login, open. Alright, checking system compatibility. This is the problem. This NVIDIA graphic is not compatible with this version of Windows. This graphic driver could not find compatible graphic hardware. So this is a problem. Now don't close this window, just minimize it. So in some cases, okay, when you install it, when you install a driver, so all these files which belong to the driver will be copied to drive C, to a specific path. And now let's go to drive C and bring some changes. Go to program files, and here NVIDIA Corporation, no, it is not here. Go to in here, also we don't have. So okay, the file is not created. No need to just worry. We can bring changes to the source file. What we need to do is, okay, we are in this driver folder. Firstly, you need to go to the device manager. Right click on that specific drive, go to properties and driver, go to details. In here you need to copy the hardware ID. This is the hardware ID for this specific device. I mean for the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. So you need to add this so that the driver can recognize the specific hardware. I just copy. In some cases, this NVIDIA GeForce GTX Ti, this device might not be here. Even if you check these show hidden devices, it may not be appearing here. Anyway, you can copy the hardware ID for this Intel graphic. It will eventually recognize and identify the devices. Alright, so I copied the hardware ID. Now I go to the driver folder, not the drive C. You couldn't find it here. Okay, just close it. Let's go to the specific driver folder. Now go to Display.Driver. In here, scroll down and find the files with the extension of .inf. This is the file. And okay, NVAN. Also, there are some other files with the same extension. You can find one of them and just open. Let me open this one. Okay. All right. Okay, so it is not that complicated. Just follow the steps, step by step till the end. scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Okay, so scroll down to this section, specific section, and replace this part with the hardware ID which you just copied. Control V, here it is, and save. Again, scroll down to this section and replace this part with the hardware ID you just copied. Scroll down to this section, replace the hardware ID. Yeah, it is done. Now just make sure to save the file, save, and close it. Alright, now go back and close this one. Okay, now let's run the installation. Okay, yes, here it is. Okay, so now we copied the hardware ID for this NVIDIA graphic, but sometimes it doesn't work. What you need to do is to use the hardware ID for this Intel graphic and follow the same steps. Alright, now it is recognized. Just agree and continue. Express recommended. That's alright, and yeah. As we move in the previous graphic, which I have installed, it was the lower version and it was not working properly, so that is why I downloaded the newer version and now I installed it. Okay, the driver is installed. Now we need to start the computer.